What is good design, and how do you critique it? All good design is art, and therefore Goethe's 3 questions should be applied. What was the artist trying to do? How well did they do it? And was it worth doing? So as previously stated, good design serves the director's vision. Now that doesn't mean that it must serve the script or the playwright's original intentions. If the director's vision is unique, and even if it is in contrast with the original intention, good design should support it. With this in mind, good design should work together with the other design elements and should not call attention to itself, unless in doing so it serves the director's vision. Good design should also serve the actors. As actors tell the story the director is trying to tell, design needs to give them good locations to act, ones that do not create problems but solves them. Costume design needs to allow actors to move the way they need to move, and lighting needs to make them visible to the audience. Whenever possible, good design changes with the production. As the story progresses, as the characters learn and adapt and change, so does the design. This growth is easiest to achieve in costumes and lighting, much harder to achieve in the scenic elements, but it's still possible. Good design is best when it deepens the understanding of the story the director has chosen to tell. Good design is in the detail. Light isn't used simply to awash the stage in illumination. Costumes aren't simply used to clothe the actors. Setting is not just a painted surface. All of these are detailed in ways to make specific statements about the production. Good design is well executed. Designers need to work within the ability of the theater company to produce a design that can be well executed. Designers often take part in the implementation of their designs, or at the very least have approval over the implementation. Good design is not safe design. Good design attempts to do its job in new and innovative ways. This leads to a chance of failure. But standard, often used solutions have a greater chance of being boring. And it is very rare that any element of theater is good if it's boring.